Kular u Conrad, but I ke Jingiada, nakapenta Kito ki basa, syaki Thaiñ Khappud.
So the terms of reference of this committee are also there, which I don't feel I need to go through it, all of it. Once the notification reaches the honorable members, I'm sure they will be able to go through it. And yes, and apart from that, so there are, of course, as I said, many issues that are there, which I could have discussed. There is a long reply which I have been given, which I am refraining from going into because it's more technical in nature. And since this is a highly sensitive and a politically and socially important issue, I chose to speak direct about the points and how we have approached this entire issue. And as has been committed to the people of the state, I especially want to send this message across to the people living in the border areas, that while we work towards finding the solutions, there could be different challenges. But let me assure them that as a government, we are going to ensure that sufficient manpower is there, sufficient infrastructure in terms of our forces are there in these different areas of differences, so that the confidence level and the safety level of our people is maintained. I want to assure each and every one, especially the people living in the border area. And number two, I also want to share with you that we are in constant touch with our counterparts. I am in constant touch with Assam Chief Minister. Let me tell you that whenever an incident happens out there, there is no protocol that goes between Assam Chief Minister and me. I immediately call him up directly, even maybe before the Chief Secretaries are able to talk, or even before the DCs are able to talk, the two Chief Ministers talk and ensure that necessary instructions are given to ensure that situations don't escalate and situations are resolved. So we are in constant touch. This is a very important issue for us. We understand the pain and the suffering that you have faced in the last 50 years, and we are committed, this whole house is committed to ensure that we are able to find a solution so that the people in these areas can live in peace in the coming years, sir. And it is with this mindset that we are approaching this problem, and I assure the house that we are determined to make sure that we find an amicable solution to this border issue. So with these few words, sir, I once again thank the honorable member for bringing out this very important issue and giving me an opportunity to clarify on a large number of issues. And with these few words and clarifications, sir, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you very much, sir.